Hello, and welcome to another episode of Nature with Kellyn. In this episode, we're going to be talking about elks. As you can see, I don't freaking know the difference between a male and a female. They all look the same, but this one seems to be a male. He has like a little things in the ears, so I'm assuming he's a male. So, as you can see, the size of elk varies in between little ass elk to big ass elk. Um, what else should be noted about elks? Tell me, you Dan, about elks.
It's all good.
It's all good. I don't know. I think we just covered the basic of elks. Yeah. Okay, and then see you later in another episode of Nature with Kellyn. I don't know, man. What else should we cover about these stupid elks? Oh, look at that. There is one freaking elk over there, too. Holy crap, dude. Man, this freaking is an army of elks. They are surrounding us. Well, I think they are preparing themselves for attack, too. Oh no. He's gonna freaking... I think he's gonna try to mate with that elk. Dude. Oh, look at that guy. He's doing like the stalker approach. Pretends nothing is happening. And then goes right behind her. Like... His mouth. Oh man. He's giving me the freaking crazy look, dude. Look at that. Oh, frick. Look at that. Oh, man.
Stupid elks.
Stupid ox.